Okay, we're given the zeros, we've got to find the polynomial. So think about it. Let's look at this. We've got to find a polynomial of degree 3, having zeros 1, 3i, and negative 3i. There you go. 3 solutions, it's degree 3. So if the zeros are 1, this must have come from an x minus 1. Okay, we don't know about this right now. 3i must have come from an x minus 3i. You've got a 3i, always in conjugates, you've got a negative 3i, so this has come from an x positive 3i. So you can see we've got to multiply those 3 together, and that'll give us the polynomial. Okay? Right, now then, but I won't do that one, I'll do something that doesn't involve an I. Let's go down here. Okay. Right, degree 5, wow. Negative 1 is a 0, 3, negative 1 is a 0, multiplicity 3. So basically, if it's negative 1, it's come from an x plus 1, with multiplicity 3, that's cubed. Okay, it's right there. It's also got 4 as 0, just multiplicity 1. So if it's positive 4, it's come from an x minus 4. And 0 as a 0. Okay, in other words, x. If that's 0, everything's 0. So that's just you multiplying everything together. You know, if you want to do x plus 1 cubed, don't just cube everything. Do x plus 1 times x plus 1. You know, that'll give you x squared. Just FOIL it. Plus 2x plus 1. Then multiply it again by another x plus 1. Okay. Apparently it gives you all that. X minus 4 times the x is x squared minus 4x. So it's just a lot of multiplication. That's what it is. Now let's have a look at the one with the I in. Okay, so I've got to multiply these 3 together. Okay. Right, so let's multiply these 2. Okay, x times x is x squared. Okay. Now can you see if the outer is positive 3ix and the inner is negative 3ix, they will cancel. So if I just do the last 2, that'll give me negative 9i squared. Remember what I squared is? It's negative 1. So negative 9 times negative 1 will give me positive 9. Okay, so then you FOIL those 2, just multiply those 2 together, distributive law, you'll end up with that. So you can see you've got to create the factors given the, just multiply the factors together. You might be given the zeros. Okay, create the factors. So that's actually that had the zeros. Okay, so I created the factors, and so did this. It had the zeros. I created the factors and multiplied them together. Okay.